Your credit score is a 3-digit number that decides whether life is easy or expensive. That is it. That is the whole summary. Now let me explain why that should terrify you slightly and exactly what to do about it. Your credit score runs from 300 to 850. Think of it as a grade, except instead of maths and English, it grades one thing only. Can this person be trusted to pay back money they borrow? Below 580. Poor. Banks physically recoil. 580 to 669. Fair. You exist. Barely. 672, 739. Good. Doors opening. 740 plus. Very good to exceptional. Banks smile when they see you. Red carpet. Almost confetti. The difference between a poor score and an exceptional one on a 30-year mortgage. Potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars in extra interest paid. Same house, different number. Completely different costs. 5 ingredients. Fast version. Payment history to 35%. Pay everything on time. Every time. This is the biggest one. One missed payment hurts more than most people realize. Credit utilization to 30%. How much of your available credit are you using? Keep it below 30%. Below 10 if you want exceptional. Length of history to 15%. Older accounts are better. Do not close old cards, even if you never use them. Credit mix to 10%. Different types of credit cards. Loans. Mortgage. Shows you can handle variety. New inquiries minus 10%. Every new credit application is a small, temporary dip. Do not apply for 5 cards in one weekend. 5 ingredients. Now you know what the score is actually measuring. 3 actions. Starting today. 1. Get a secured credit card. Deposit $200 to $500. Use it for small purchases. Pay the full balance every month. After 12 months, school moves. Guaranteed. To never miss a payment. Set everything to automatic. One missed payment undoes months of progress. Automate so your memory is never the weak link. 3. Check your credit report for errors. You get a free one every year. Errors are more common than you think. Someone else's bad behavior on your file. Dispute it. Get it removed. Watch your score jump. None of this is complicated. None of it requires a high income. None of it requires special access. It just requires knowing the system, which you now do. Credit score. 3 digits. 5 ingredients. 3 actions. Pay on time. Keep utilization low. Check for errors. That is the whole system. Explained in 2 minutes. Your future self. The one getting the good mortgage rate. The easy apartment approval. The low interest car loan is built by the choices you make with those 3 digits starting today. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Learn Finance with Zig. Drop a comment. What is your credit score right now? No judgment. Everyone starts somewhere. Stay smart. Stay wealthy.